Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do something that I've never done before. I want to film a video just doing my makeup with a bunch of products that are very affordable that you can purchase for somebody. I know like it's holiday time and like, you know, we gotta like make the effort to get everyone that we love a gift and just, we don't want to break the bank. That's basically it. So I'm going to be doing my makeup with a bunch of products that I love and have been using a lot lately. So if you guys want to see what makeup products you can possibly gift and a bunch of little stocking stuffers that you can just, you know, just make the holiday extra special for your loved ones, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
As always, I like to start off my makeup using a concealer on my eyes because I just don't want to go out and buy a freaking eye primer. I just feel like concealer works just as good. So I'm going to be using my Shape Tape concealer. This one is in the shade Light Medium Sand. I know this is very like high in price. It's a $27 concealer. But Ulta does have these in the travel size, which are $10. This has lasted me quite a minute and it still has plenty of product in here. So the mini travel size one will definitely last you for like well over 2 months. I'm pretty sure it will. Pretty sure. So this would be a perfect stocking stuffer, the travel size one. Even this one, but if you don't want to break the bank, get the $10 travel size concealer. And I'm just gonna apply this. Oh shoot, I didn't even carve out my eyebrow. You can use it to carve out your eyebrow and then apply your eyeshadow. So I'm just placing it on the eye like that. I probably put way too much. So I'm going to grab some of this concealer and just start to clean out the eyebrow. Speaking of eyebrows, Benefit does have a thing going on right now with Ulta where you can get... I did my homework, okay? So I'm seeing here that you can get 3 minis and get 1 free. Perfect stocking stuffers. So I did do my eyebrows using my Precisely brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. You have the pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other one. I used the shade number 6. Also to keep your eyebrow hairs in place and then just in case you get eyeshadow up on your eyebrows, it's nice to like clean it up and remove the eyeshadow from there and just add the tint back in there and just go in there like that. This is also included in the minis. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow. Now that I have carved out my eyebrow, I'm just moving the concealer downwards onto my eyelid to start the process of eyeshadow application. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This retails for $20 and you have a total of 40 eyeshadows. I think it's 40 eyeshadows. I just counted. It is 40 eyeshadows in this palette. This is a kind of like a replica of James Charles palette and it consists of all of these shades here. So you can do a lot of like neutral looks with this here. Not these are a little bit too darken them up. But you can do a lot of neutral looks and then you have all of your vibrant colors right over here. I love this eyeshadow palette so much. I've been using it non-stop. You can do a lot of daytime looks with this palette and also like if you're feeling a little bit bold, there's a bunch of colors that you can play with. So this palette for $20, I think it's definitely worth it. It's really big, but when you wrap it up, it looks like a really big present. Sometimes bigger things excite people. I'm going to be applying my eyeshadows with this Wet n Wild 10-piece brush set. I did review this with the holiday collection in my previous video. It might be 2 videos back. But I'm going to be using this. I have an extra brush set that I'm going to be gifting, but I just want to show you guys that this is $30 and you get 10 brushes that are very, very cute. They have little beads inside. I just think they're so adorable. I'm going to take the blending brush from that set and I'm going to be dipping into this color right here. It's a very neutral color and I'm going to be applying that right above my crease. This is so different from Wet n Wild to do. This is their 40 eyeshadow palette for their 4-year anniversary. I just love how you can build up on their eyeshadows and they blend effortlessly. Alright, so now that I applied that color there, I want to do something that's perfect for this holiday season, and I'm going to take this color right here with the same exact brush, and I'm just going to be placing it into the crease area. It doesn't matter if it gets onto the lid. Now that I have that, I'm going to darken up this crease with this dark brown right here. I'm going to be using a Sigma E33 brush. It's not a part of the collection, but I really want to do something very pretty, so I'm going to deepen up the crease like so. This is really pigmented, you guys. Going back in with that blending brush, I'm going to start to work out the edges. I have done a million cut creases, so I kind of did that off camera, and just bringing that Shape Tape concealer right on the rest of the lid. I'm doing a half cut crease, by the way. I'm going to take this gold shade now, and I'm going to start to tap this color onto the lid area under that crease. Would you look at that? My God. I'm going to use the other side of the same exact brush, and I kind of want to use this green here. And I'm going to apply it right next to the gold and just kind of work those two together. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to take this flat fluffy brush from the set as well, and I'm going to dip into the black shade. I'm going to place this right at this outer edge. I'm going to take the fluffy brush now and then make sure this is all blended. I want to keep it very subtle, so I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. Now I'm just going to grab this white matte shade, and I'm going to apply that right underneath the brow just to kind of brighten that up. Now all I'm going to do is apply this Zodiac Black Intense Water Liner, and this one is from Sleek Makeup. Did I say that? I'm having a brain fart again. So this is from Sleek Makeup. You can also purchase this at Ulta. This is considered a drugstore brand, so it's very affordable, and it just glides on effortlessly. I'm going to apply this right underneath here. I'm going to take this, it's a pencil brush. I'm going to go ahead and grab the dark brown that I used. Did I use that on my crease? I think I used that on my crease. I'm going to apply that underneath the waterline and just smoke out the lower lash line. I have mentioned to you guys many times that the Bad Gal Bang mascara is my absolutely favorite mascara. This is also a part of the mini deal that they have going on. Where is it? Oh, it's right up here. So this is included in the 3 minis and get 1 free. I really like the applicator of this. It makes it really easy to get underneath my waterline, and it's also really buildable. I also wanted to make sure that I included these eyelashes in this video because these are only $7 and you get a pack of 5 eyelashes. These are very subtle, to be honest. I think they're perfect for like everyday wear, and they also fit inside of a stocking for $7. So you guys can see my eyelashes. I have hardly any eyelashes, so just adding a little bit extra. See, just a little bit. A little bit extra. I keep forgetting things. I don't know if I mentioned, but these are from Profusion Cosmetics. All of the things that I'm mentioning in this video, I will be linking down below. I'm going to do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys so that we can play around with some more affordable products. Taking my Wet n Wild foundation, I'm using the color Desert Beige. This foundation is very affordable. I think it's like $5.99. I'm going to use the foundation brush from the brush set and just distribute this all over the face. The other day I contoured my nose so good, you guys, and I can't repeat it on camera. It sucks so bad. So I'm gonna keep trying. I practice contouring my nose more than you guys know. So I'm just not gonna include that in here. I'm gonna apply my concealer like I normally would. Remember, the travel size concealer is $10 at Ulta. You know what I forgot? Oh, I knew it. I forgot to use my professional primer. This one is, I love it. I just forget to use it every time I do my makeup on camera, so I forgot it in my last video too. You guys see this? Oh, I have a little dark spot right there. Ever since I did the pore cleaner, you know that little suction vacuum thing that takes off your pores. I kind of did it in this area because I have little whiteheads. I don't know why, but I do. And it just freaking made this area super dark. Now I'm going to go into my HOOLA bronzer, which you can also get with the minis that I've been mentioning from Benefit at Ulta. I'm going to start to kind of chisel out my face. Look how perfect this bronzer shade is. It's like, I always say this, but it's like the perfect bronzer. It's not orange, it's like an actual brown, and it just like warms up your face. I'm gonna take some of that bronzer and just kind of go in here as well. In the nose. Now I'm gonna grab this powder brush, and it's really fluffy. Look at the bristles, they're so soft. So I'm going to go into this Rockstar blush, and this does have a little bit of shimmer in it, so I'm just going to make this face. Can you see the pretty shimmer in here? I like that. It smells so good. Like a perfume. I'm going to take this highlighter from Benefit as well, and this is the Dandelion Twinkle. I'm going to grab the highlighter brush from the brush set and just go in here. And just place this right on the cheekbone. Taking my Sigma E46 brush, I'm going to place this on the tip of the nose. Down the bridge. This here is the Buxom lip set, and it consists of glosses, lip creams, and lip pencils. The value of this is $86, and it's $39 for all of these here, in which you can use these for stocking stuffers and like put them in different people's stocking stuffers, or just like, I don't know, it just makes a great gift. I'm going to go into this lip pencil here. This is the Dolly Danger. Everything that's in this package does have like a plumping effect, so it helps plump up your lips when you have no lips like I do. You can use this all over your lips if you want to, but I'm going to kind of show you guys like my favorite out of this set. I'm going to go into the color Gabby, and this one is a plumping lip polish. This has the prettiest sparkle. And as far as a setting spray, my drugstore favorite makeup setting spray is this Pixie setting spray, and this does have rose water and green tea. Now I have to say that Pixie is not really like the most affordable. I don't know why it's even considered drugstore, but I love the setting spray, and I just wanted to include this one in here. It just has such a nice mist. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm realizing that my shirt, my earrings, and my makeup do not match, but it's all good. I told you guys that I got these at Ross. They're Betsy Johnson earrings. They're so cute. I've just been feeling really festive. I decorated my house today with like Christmas stuff, so I plan to do a lot more videos using makeup that I already have, because I just feel like I haven't felt really inspired to do makeup because I don't have the newest of the new makeup, and I feel like that's what people want to see. I can't buy every single launch. I have to play with makeup that I already have, and I just want to teach you guys how to create beautiful makeup looks, and that's like my goal here, teaching you guys what I learn. I'm learning with you guys, and I think it's fun to play with makeup, and that's kind of what I want to bring you in my next videos to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. All of the links for the makeup that I used in today's video is going to be listed down below. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads right over here. You can click on any of those and it'll direct you straight to that video. So if you want to hang out with me a little bit longer, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!